Ready to supercharge your Microsoft rewards and unlock those dream rewards faster than ever? First, ditch the casual clicks. We're diving deep into daily engagement. Consistently complete your daily sets. Those points add up fast, and they often include quick quizzes and engaging activities. Next, keep a hawk eye on the dashboard for bonus offers. These limited-time deals can seriously boost your earnings, rewarding you extra for things you're probably already doing online, like searching or browsing specific websites. Explore punch cards and challenges. Regularly activating and completing these can grant substantial bonus points. Often, you can find punch cards related to using specific Microsoft products, making it a win-win. Maximize your Bing usage. Don't just search for one-word answers. Use diverse search terms and explore different categories. The more you use Bing, the more points you accumulate daily. Finally, understand the levels system. Earning more points increases your level, which will increase how many points per search you will receive. So keep earning and level up. I'm mastering these advanced strategies. You'll be swimming in points, ready to redeem for gift cards, games, and so much more. Now go out there and dominate those rewards.